Food and drink. Part 1. Let's talk about cooking-related phrasal verb. Put on. Meaning. Begin to cook.
I'll put the vegetables on in a minute.
She put the curry on and made a salad.
Whip up. Meaning. Prepare food quickly.
I can whip a meal up in no time.
I can easily whip up an omelette.
Cut up. Meaning. Cut into pieces.
She cut up the lettuce and put them in the pot.
I sat in the kitchen and peeled and cut up potatoes.
Chop up. Meaning. To cut into small pieces.
She was busy chopping up onions.
Please chop up the vegetables.
Dice up. Meaning. Cut into small squares.
Dice up the carrots.
Slice up. Meaning. To cut or divide something into slices, layers.
I sliced up cucumbers and tomatoes.
Slice up the mushrooms and fry them.
Boil over. Meaning. Flow over the sides of the container in boiling.
Watch out. Milk is about to boil over.
Quickly, turn off the gas. The milk will boil over.
Warm up. Heat up. Meaning. To make warm.
I will warm up some milk.
Shall I heat up some soup for lunch?
Fry up. Meaning. Cook with oil.
Crack an egg. Fry up and serve on the toast.
Let me fry up some fries.
Thaw out. The process of warming food that has been frozen so that the food can be eaten or prepared to be served.
Thaw out the frozen peas before cooking.
Thaw out the frozen vegetables before cooking.
Spice up. Meaning. To add spices to food in order to give it a stronger taste.
He wanted a little more pepper to spice up his dish.
Spice up tomato or cream sauces for fish and chicken.
Boil down. To become smaller in quantity after cooking because some of the liquid has turned to gas.
Boil down the soup until it gets thicker. I don't like thin soup.
Boil down the milk until it gets thicker.
Roll out. Meaning. To make food that you are preparing flat and thin by pushing a rolling pin over it.
Roll out the dough into one large circle.
Roll out the dough on a floured surface.